I can't sleep, so right here in this nice feels, I'm guessing it's about 68, maybe 69. I didn't check the weather, but it feels like it might be 68 or 69. I'm pretty good at judging the temperature with my body. But we got the whole set hx35 turbo on there, and well, we're going to tear it down. We're going to take the compressor housing off. Going to take the center cartridge out. Going to clean it up and get it ready for the rebuild kit that I'm going to put in the turbo. Yep, heard that right. Rebuild it. New compressor wheel coming in. New rebuild kit. So first things first. Sure I got the right can. First things first, before you do any sort of work, make sure you got enough beer, whiskey, and dip to get you through the job. So we're gonna pack us a fat ass lip right here. I need to go buy more snuff. Anyway, so my setup here, just gonna undo the ratchet strap here, the loose ends, and then we're gonna unhook the charge hose from this side of the from the turbo, leave it hooked to the engine so more water and stuff don't get in there. Just gonna do that right there. We don't want any moisture or dirt or anything getting down in the intake. You get dirt or something in your intake and you start it up, if it does start it, depending if it has water in it or not, then you just messed up your rings. So make sure I'm doing everything right here. I think so. I didn't get a lot of video today. I was pissed all day, throwing shit, cussing, all kinds of shit. Now if I find my hammer, here it is, my framing hammer. Barely tap it. There's the compressor compressor housing. Make sure it looks all good inside of it. I need to clean that junk up. Because, yeah. Now I need a 1/2-inch wrench to get these bolts that's holding the center cartridge on there. That's what it's called. This is going to be a multiple part video. Oh yeah, and I destroyed my fingernail. I hit it with a hammer and ripped the surface area. I just ripped it off, so it's hanging on by a few threads, so it's going to fall off. I've had my one thumb. I hit my thumb with a hammer one day when I was littler, and about 3 or 4 days later, my thumbnail fell off. That's what's going to happen to this sucker. It don't feel good at the moment, but once it falls off, it feels a whole lot better. It feels a whole lot better than this right here. soon as I might as well just rip all my nails off and just leave it. And they keep going back, just keep ripping off. No, be a big mistake right there. Be in a world of pain. Anyway, we're going to head into part 2.